Welcome back to the part 3 of the supermarket videos. In the previous video we have seen how to create a pivot table, and this is where we have left. Now with this data I would want to do a pie chart. How do I do a pie chart using this data? So what is this data exactly? This is 6 months of total cost for a supermarket, total revenue and profit in the last 6 months. So if I wish to do a pie charts on this, say for example I want to do a presentation PPT and I want to include some pie charts out of, you could do it for 1 month, you could do it for 1 quarter, or you could do it for 6 months. In this example we have data for 6 months, so I would want to go and select this data and then go to insert, and below the view menu, the bottommost part, there is something called pie chart, insert pie chart or donut chart. You click on the down arrow and I'll go with a 3D pie chart for now. So in this there is everything in this pie chart. Excel has automatically generated it for us, and there is like everything selected: revenue, cost and profit. So I would want to remove the profit and revenue. I just want to see the cost. What is the cost? This shows me that packaged goods in purple. Let me zoom a little so you get an idea of what color codes you're looking at. So the packaged goods are in purple. That has got the majority of the cost wise. That is where we are putting a lot of dollar. When you hover over it, it shows you that the value is $7,680. Let's go to a different view. I can also do a different view where if you look at the icon on the right here, the style icon, where my mouse cursor is, chart styles, click on that and select a different one that you would like. Right, I would select something which is I guess I'll go into a 3D format. Yeah, and I can zoom out a little so I can show you. I'll expand the pie chart so it's clear. There you go. Packaged goods is 48%. Now this is giving a percentage view of what is the cost that I am incurring for 6 months. I can do this for 1 month also. It totally depends on what. Let's say if I want to do it for 1 month, I'll uncheck the cost on the right hand side, go to the cost for month 1, select that row, and this is what it's. See, the cost is pretty higher for month 1 and it's saying it's $1,000. So out of the total cost that I am investing on all the products for the supermarket, this is the highest is what it says. Then second highest is meat and then flowers, right? Similarly, we're just looking at cost. We can also do for 6 months of profit. That is where I'm interested to know how much of a profit am I actually making and which is the most profitable one. So to me, 2880 is on the packaged good. When I hover on it, it gives me the number, or I could go to the right, click on chart styles and go to the chart that gives me a number and a revenue figure. Maybe a percentage. Okay, for now let's stick with percentage. So now what is the profit that I am making out of the total 100% profit? What is the percentage of profit I am making just right out of the goods? When I look at it, packaged goods I'm making 29%. I believe that is the highest, and then next highest is the meat. I'm making 20% profit, followed by flowers, followed by fruits, drinks and vegetables are the least amount of profit that I'm making. So I would want to invest more on the packaged goods and meat and flowers where I'm making most of the profit. That's how I do the analysis. Or if I go into the cost for 6 months and see, again I'll go to the right hand side and pick up the percentages section. Yeah, this is a percentage one predefined. I'll select it and You can actually drag and drop whatever is there's something hidden here, right? Let me just pull this up. You just have to select it and pull it up. Drinks 8%. Now when I look at the cost, I'm actually incurring 48% of the cost. And how much is the profit I'm getting? 29. Meat, 19% is the cost, I'm getting 20% I believe profit, and flowers is 13%, I'm getting 20% profit. So when you do the comparison, flowers is where I'm earning the most. Go to profits, switch, remove the cost, go to profit, and again change the version to percentage. You see 20% on flowers, we are only investing 13% on flowers, but we are getting a profit of 20. However, 19% on meat and getting 20% profit. Packaged goods is very high. So basically the percentage of return is more here in this. So that's another topic for another day. For now, let's stick with the pie charts. So this is how you'll be able to create simple pie charts. And it could be using all the fields. So basically pie chart is a two-dimensional for us, because the first one is type of product that we are trying to analyze on, and the cost or the revenue and the profit that we are making in a given duration, which is here for 6 months. So this is pretty easy to make. You don't have to draw anything. Excel automatically generates for you. All you have to do is just select whatever you want to see, and you can label it as well. Total, you can say, when you select cost on the right hand side, you'll just say total cost for 6 months. Okay, and you take the screenshot of it and put it in your presentation. Just zoom out, take the screenshot, put it in the presentation. Now let me close the format area. Now similarly, you want to take the profit. Now you just have to rename profit or recreate another pie chart, and then take the screenshot of it and put it in your presentation with a different percentage included if you want, or a different model. You can also do the 3D charts like we have seen earlier. So this is a high level overview of how you can simply create a pie chart with the data that you create in Excel. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.